Before moving towards the vectors, let's talk about conversions in our programming language. And by conversions, we mean the conversion from numeric to character and from character back to numeric. So if you want to convert any scalar variable from numeric to character, what you can do is you can use this function as dot character, and you can write your numeric variable, for example x, inside it. And if you want to do the other thing, if you want to convert from character to numeric, you want to do that, you can write as dot numeric and your variable, let's say y, inside it. Let's quickly see the function of these two functions in RStudio. Okay, let me clear my console. Okay, let's say I have a variable x equals to 11, right? And this is actually a string, and I want to convert this back to a numeric variable. So I will write y equals to as dot numeric. This is the function here, and I will write x inside it. Press enter. Now let's output both these variables. Rather, let's check the class of both these variables. So class x, this should be a character, and that is, and class y, this should be numeric now because we have converted x to a numeric variable. Press x and yes, it is. Press enter and yes, it is numeric. Right? So we have successfully converted x, the value of x, to numeric and saved it in another variable, which is y. Let's do the opposite thing. So let's say I have a variable a, and the value of that is maybe 5, right? And obviously this is a numeric variable. I want to convert this into a string. I can use another variable b, which is equals to, now let's convert it as dot numeric, this should be as dot character, right? Because we are converting from numeric to character. And we will write a inside it. And now let's see the class of both these variables. So class of a should be numeric, and yes, it is. And class of b should be string. Let's check it. Yes, it is character, string or character, right? So it is character. So that's how you convert from numerics to character and vice versa.